Hi guys, this is Anthony with Ultimate TV here, back with another video. First, I'd just like to take the time out to thank each and every one of you that has subscribed to my channel, and also to the many of you that has subscribed to my service. So this is not really going to be a how-to video, more of a discussion. So this video is about my first milestone. I'm on the heels of 100 subscribers. I started this channel about less than a month ago and already reaching my first milestone, and for that I am greatly appreciative to each and every one of you. So for that, I'm giving away a Firestick and Ethernet adapter combo. Now the Firestick is going to come loaded with Ultimate TV, and it's going to get 1 month's free subscription. All right, so unfortunately I can't give it to everybody, but one person is going to be lucky enough to win this. And to win it, all you have to do is subscribe, hit the bell icon, and comment. I need you to comment in the comment section and just put why you think you should be the one to win this Fire Stick. All right, so at the end of the month, I will be giving this away. I will send a private message to the winner, and I'll get all your information, and then I will ship it out to you. All right, so while we're at it, just a little bit about my background. So Ultimate TV has actually been around since 2016. I just kind of kept it word of mouth. I never really reached out as far as that. But I started this YouTube channel about a month ago. I figured everybody's on lockdown, why not reach out? So there's a lot of questions I get about the product and the services. So one of the questions I get is, how do you get the service? To get my service, you need to go to my website, ultimatetvweb.com. The link will also be in the description, and I'll also run it across the screen. All right, so that's the first thing you need to do. Now, when you get to the website, you'll be presented with some options. Okay, you can choose a 3-day trial. So 3-day trials are $1 unless it runs on the weekend. If it is on the weekend, then it'll be $7. And trials are one-time use only. I know a lot of people try to get it again and again and again, but it doesn't work that way. A trial is just set up for you to try out the services, see if you like it. If you like it enough, then you can subscribe. Okay, I have multiple packages. Packages are based off how many devices you have. So you have one device, it's going to be $20, and then you move up. If you have 2 devices, it'll be $25, and then from there it goes up to 4 devices, so which is $35, and 5 devices, $45. Okay, so if that seems right for you, you have more than 1 devices, you pick the appropriate product for what your need is, and there you have it. Another thing is some are family friendly and some have the adult channels. So you have kids running around, or you have family that's also will be using your service. It might be wise for you to get the family friendly version and not the adult channels. Now, if you're a little bit more seasoned and you know how to lock the adult channels, maybe you might want to get the adult channels. That's how it works. Another question I get often is my services IP locked? They aren't IP locked, but I tell people it is, so they don't get the idea that if they get one connection, they can run multiple connections on one connection. Technically, you can run more than one connection, but the problem is you're going to get a lot of buffering and freezing, and makes it almost impossible to watch. That's why you have to get the multiple device package. Also, it doesn't matter where you're at. You can use it. You can use Ultimate TV anywhere. You can use it at home. You can put it on the iPad, take it to your job. You can use it on your laptop. It doesn't matter where you are. So the devices aren't IP locked. Another question I get is resellers. Not looking to resell right now, so maybe in the future, check back with us. Also, some people need to be patient when they order their service. So as soon as you sign up, don't bombard me with emails about where's my service, where can I get my login. When you sign up for the service, you will be emailed almost within 10 minutes. You should get your login. Now, if it takes a little bit longer, ask yourself what time you're ordering. If you're ordering at 4 o'clock in the morning, most likely we're sleeping. So you'll get it first thing when someone wakes up and reads the email. So just have a little patience. Don't bombard us. You'll get your service. Most definitely. Also, an update on the Roku app. So Roku uses the Streams app. Is on its first run. Is really kind of the only way you can get IPTV on Roku. I highly recommend that you either get a box and not use the Roku service. But if you have to use Roku and you don't feel like spending the extra money to get a box, then that's completely fine. But the app does have its limitations. You're going to get more out of the service if you have a Shield, a Fire TV, Firestick, or Fire TV, Fire Cube. Really, the best box you should get is a Shield. If you have the money to spare, definitely get a Shield. That's what I use. I do have a Fire Stick, but I use it mainly for testing purposes. But if you're going to get the best out of this service, the service is built around Android. You definitely need an Android TV box. Unless you want to try to win the Fire Stick that I'm giving away. When people hit me up about buffering, the first thing I'm going to ask you is, what's your downloads from your internet provider? A lot of the people that hit me up have like 5 megabits download, 9 megabits per second download. Unfortunately, that's not going to work. If you want to get the best out of the service, you're going to need a download speed of minimum 25 megabits per second. That's what it's going to take. Or if you have more than one device running to your router, say laptops, cell phones, things of that nature, you need to up your download speed. I would say a healthy number is you want to run 20 to 25 megabits per second per device that you have connected to your router. So you have like 10 devices hooked up, you're going to need a lot more download speed. Also, if you're running a 4K or an 8K TV, you're going to need more download speed. It takes a lot to process 4K. So that's just my advice to y'all to get the most out of the service. I appreciate each and every one of y'all. Thank you. Keep the comments coming. Like, subscribe for a chance to win this Fire Stick that I'm giving away. For my next milestone, I'll probably give away a Fire Cube, and then later on maybe a Shield. So stay in touch, keep watching the video, and I appreciate y'all. Peace, love, and respect. See y'all next time.